Hello YouTubers and dear students, and especially diabetics and persons having family history of diabetes. I would like to talk about an important topic which has been in recent papers or publications, which is known as MODY. Now what is MODY? It is very important for persons or families in which there is history of diabetes. Now what is MODY? MODY stands for maturity, M for maturity, O for onset, D for diabetes, and Y for young. That is maturity onset diabetes of the young. Now I am Dr. Ashok Rana, MD Medicine from Yamunanagar. I will be talking about this topic. Please subscribe to this channel and also spread to other colleagues, to other groups, and share with them about this important topic. Because as per some news publications in Times of India, there was a patient from Ahmedabad who was diagnosed about this diabetes at Mumbai by a very eminent diabetologist after getting the test done. Previously, he was being treated at Ahmedabad by giving insulin injections, treating him as type 1 diabetes. Now, as you know, most of the diabetic patients and YouTubers as well, because of the general knowledge of the society, the diabetes has been divided into usually two types, type 1, type 2. Type 1 is insulin dependent diabetes, that means in which the insulin production is totally absent in the body of the patient. And this type of the diabetes occurs in the early age group, that means before 30 years of age, and usually it is because of the autoimmune disease of the pancreas, which leads to degeneration of beta cells of the pancreas, leading to total absence of insulin in the circulation of the body. Second type is type 2 diabetes mellitus, which is usually non-insulin dependent and occurs after about 35 to 40 years of age. Now this type of diabetes is because of insulin resistance and insulin inactivity. The production of insulin may be less, but whatever is produced is also not effective. So these are the important reasons of type 2 diabetes. Now after this, there are other types of diabetes which are uncommon. And after this, MODY, which has been diagnosed recently, it was previously also known as MODY, but in between it was somehow got not that much importance as it should have been. Now it is a diabetes type which occurs as early as 30 years of age. So it usually coincides with the age of type 1 diabetes. So likely to be diagnosed as type 1 diabetes. Second point, in this type of diabetes, there is family history of diabetes in the parents or grandparents in the early 30s. This is very important. Now the parents or the grandparents of the patient, they have history of diabetes at the age of 30 years. So ये भी एक इम्पॉर्टेंट बात है कि 30 साल में, उनमें भी 30 साल में ही आमतौर पर जो डायबिटीज डायग्नोज होती है. The third point, usually in the OPD or clinician clinics, it is diagnosed as type 1 diabetes because of the usual teaching that the diabetes below 30 years is usually or generally type 1 diabetes, which is due to the total destruction of beta cells of the pancreas because of autoimmune disorder. Now how to differentiate this type of that is MODY diabetes from type 1. The test is C-peptide test. Now what is this test? This test, when it is done, is helping in knowing the amount of insulin production in the body from the pancreas. Now if this test shows the levels of insulin production is normal, then it means type 1 diabetes is ruled out. This is very important test, and this test was done by the endocrinologist or diabetologist at Mumbai while dealing with that patient from Ahmedabad. So first test he did was C-peptide test, and it showed that insulin production was adequate, so there is nothing like type 1 diabetes in that patient. Second test which he conducted and which should be conducted in such patient is genetic test. Now what is this genetic test? Is a test for HNF1A gene. The genetic test is first test is C-peptide, and second test is genetic test HNF1A. Now this is a gene which is a genetic mutation. It is a genetic mutation and it affects insulin production and is passed down through the ages. That means हमारी जो फैमिली ट्री है उसमें पास डाउन ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, पेरेंट्स, फिर नेक्स्ट इस टाइप से. सो दिस इज ए genetic test HNF1A. Now these two tests usually cost around about 12,000 rupees and done from reputed labs of the country. So after getting these two tests done, we can conclude in a diabetic patient who presents with the diabetes at the age of 30 years as a case of MODY and not type 1 diabetes. Now how it helps the patient? MODY can be controlled with oral hypoglycemic agents as in type 2 diabetes like metformin, sulfonylurea and other drugs. Whereas type 1 diabetes is to be always on insulin injections for his survival. So this is gross difference. A person at the age of 30 years, if he is told कि आपको type 1 diabetes है, आपको बेटा हर सारी एज, सारी उम्र आपको इंसुलिन लगाना पड़ेगा आपको ठीक रहने के लिए. और एक तरफ एक उसी पेशेंट को अगर हम डायग्नोज करके कहें कि आपको ये गोली खानी है, 2 टाइम खानी है, 1 टाइम खानी है अकॉर्डिंग टू हिज लेवल्स and HbA1c levels, so there is a gross difference from the point of view of finances, from the point of view of mental agony, from the point of view of physical and other abilities of the patient. 30 years के एज में अभी पेशेंट की एज ऐसी है जिसमें कि उसको अभी फैमिली लाइफ लीड करनी है, अभी उनको आगे बढ़ना है, उसका कैरियर है, सब कुछ है. अगर हम उस पेशेंट को डायग्नोज करते हैं कि आप जो है MODY है, यू आर नॉट टाइप 1, you will be controlled with these drugs, he will be too happy to consume those drugs and keep him under control. Whereas if we tell the patient that you are a type 1 diabetes, जबकि वो टाइप 1 है नहीं, तो वो पेशेंट बेचारे को बहुत दिक्कतें, मेंटल एगोनी बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. एक और टाइप की डायबिटीज़ होती है जो अनकॉमन है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड डायबिटीज़ M. That is a combination of type 1 and type 2, in short written as LAD. diabetes M, and in short LADA. So the crux of the today's video is that we should be properly diagnosed by a physician or endocrinologist according to the requirements of the test and as per the suggestion of the doctor. We should go in for the costly test if it can help you survive with lower financial cost to the body as compared to other type 1 in which insulin is to be taken for whole of life. So the crux of the topic is importance of family history in patients of diabetes, then advanced testing like C-peptide, HNF1A gene, etc. So I will request you to keep your diabetes under control by getting regular consult of your physician or endocrinologist, because as in my practice I am seeing here in Yamunanagar, it is a tier 4 or 3 or 4 city, the awareness about the disease is very lacking, and it is true also for type 2 also, because most of the patients they undergo other types of therapy, they forget the visits, they forget to get the test done. I have seen recently patients of HbA1c 17.2, 16, 14.4, etc. etc. So such type of situation is not in good taste for the patient's health as well as his long-term situation or side effects or complications of diabetes in his body at a later stage. So it is my humble suggestion to all the YouTubers who will be seeing this video that you spread the message that a diabetic should always consult a doctor, and as per his advice he should go on taking the medicine and get the various tests at different levels so as to control the complications and rule out the complications. So with this I will finish the topic, a short topic of MODY. Basically it is an awareness topic for diabetics as well as general public. Thanking you and wishing you all the best.